When you're in the mood for something salty and sweet, these potato chip cookies with chocolate drizzle are just what you're craving. The soft shortbread-like texture with potato chips studded throughout, along with the luscious chocolate, are a match made in cookie heaven. So grab a cup of hot cocoa. It's time to make some magic in Mrs. Kringle's kitchen. Hit the red subscribe button and click the bell to be notified when new videos go live. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees. In a mixing bowl, add your softened butter and your granulated sugar. Beat until fluffy for about 3 minutes, then add your vanilla extract. Add your ground pecans and mix those in. Then add your crushed potato chips to the party because it's not a party without chips, and stir to combine. Add half of your flour mixture and stir. Then add your second half for its final mix. Scrape down your bowl if you're using a stand mixer. Scoop the dough 2 inches apart on a lined cookie sheet. They don't spread much, so give them a little flatten before baking. Bake in the oven for 13 to 15 minutes or until the edges are golden brown, and then allow to cool on the cookie sheet. Heat the chocolate in 15-second increments in the microwave until it's melted. Then transfer to a sandwich bag and snip the corner to decorate. Pipe the chocolate back and forth for a pretty design. Sprinkle with salt flakes to accentuate the salty and sweet component. Then add sprinkles if it's the holidays. I like to do half and half for my batch. Oh my. Potato chip cookies with chocolate drizzle might sound a little strange, but trust me, they are heavenly. The crunch of the potato chips with a salty bite balancing the chocolate drizzle is so delicious. These will be a new favorite for your holiday baking and gifting. You'll see people's eyes light up when they take their first bite, just like we do with every batch. For the full printable recipe, head over to mrskringleskitchen.com. Don't forget to like, comment, and share the love with your family and friends.